Uh, Good evening, everyone. My name is Aditya Pawan. Viveka number 17003 is my registration number. Now we are going to see about AngularJS in HTML. What is an AngularJS? AngularJS is a framework that we give to the HTML page. Framework means it consists of predefined functions. Likewise, as you see, there are lots of redefined functions in this AngularJS, so there is no need to give every time all the codes is not necessary, and these are the things which we have done in this AngularJS. So they are just treated as simple calculator with add, multiplication, subtraction, and division. So here is the Angular module C. So varap angular.module. When you're using AngularJS, you need to give angular.module, and this is the app.controller which control your function in it, and this is the dollar scope add function. A function is important here because when you are giving here the add, so here the scope dot add function, this is the function which calls the add, and this add calls here. So person num1 plus person num2, this is the hash scope is the number which you have saved. So likewise for subtraction minus, for the multiplication into, and for division division symbol, and this is the rest where the value stores, and the result is rest you can give equal to the phosphorus, or by double flower bracket you can print it likewise. So now let us see. Oh, sorry for this. You need to. This is my last videos. I didn't delete them. And you're waiting for the symbol calculator. So this is a symbol calculator which I have designed now. 25, and the number 2 is 5. So when I add it, it's 30. When I subtraction, it's 20. When it's multiplied, it's 125. When it's divided, it's 5. Likewise, it is created. So this is one of the AngularJS thing. And as you see before, you have seen my one of the program to-do list. This is the program for it. To-do list is generally in homes or in office or in anywhere while you're studying. You will just keep a list, or you will write type in your phone, so we need to complete this task by today, or you need to complete this task by 1 week, likewise. So the to-do list how you can create, and after that, if the work is done, you need to delete the to-do list. So likewise, you need to create a web page or kind of thing. So here's the code for it. See, ng repeat x action items is called x, and span. I just give it a, if you want to delete, there is, I just called it, it's called red, and delete item the hash index which is given inside of it. And here the where app angle, my app is control. My app is the app which we can control, and ng.control is my control which controls the items in it. And I've given normally call mom, study well, complete assignment, eat well, like that some to wellness which I used to do, but not completing assignments. And here functions add items, so the function goes to here, add items, and it will push the item which I have given in the text. And if I want to delete it, it will delete the go to the delete function, and position is equal to 1, and it's changed the bottom of the second position to the first position. So let us see the code here. uh, See here the call map study well complete assignment eat well. When I given a new assignment call dad, so it is adding in it. And when I deleting the call mom function, see it's relative. Likewise you can do it. And after that, mm, sorry, I'm having a little bit of code here. So here is the app, my function Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata, Mumbai, Feroz, and Sidhpur. This is the culture. When I go to Google, when you type S, a letter S, it will show the related results which is starting with S. When you start with letter B, it will show the results which are starting with letter B. So likewise, this is the program has been designed for it. So let us see how do you run it. How does it run? So when your state is Hyderabad, with H, C, and B. See, it is having not only the starting letter which but the word which contains the B letter, it will show all the results for it. And K, see K Kolkata, and I'm reading F Feroz, and when I type O, see Bengaluru, Kolkata, Feroz, each and every of the place which contains the letter O, it is showing in it. So likewise, if the program will be done. So these are the AngularJS framework. So you can type more, you can do more web pages or exercise in it. I hope you like this video. So this is your Adi Pawan signing off. Thanks for listening to me. We'll meet in the next class.